Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Technology is evolving faster than ever, and the next generation of AI tools is set to completely reshape how we live, work, and create. In today's video, I am going to share 10 incredible upcoming AI tools that are predicted to transform the world by the year 2030. These aren't just small upgrades. We're talking about revolutionary changes that will redefine entire industries. I've done a ton of research to bring you the most exciting and groundbreaking tech on the horizon. Ready to see the future? Let's get started. First up on our list, imagine having a team that works 24/7, never gets tired, and can handle almost any digital task you throw at it. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's becoming a reality thanks to AI agents. These aren't just your average chatbots. We're talking about fully autonomous digital workers. You just give them a goal like find the best marketing strategies for a new coffee shop, and they get to work. They'll plan the entire project, conduct in-depth research, execute the necessary tasks, and even draft emails and reports for you. It's like having a project manager, a researcher, and an assistant all rolled into one powerful AI. This technology is set to completely revolutionize how we think about business, freelancing, and personal productivity. The future of work is here, and it's smarter than ever. What would you have an AI agent do for you? Have you ever wished you could create professional voiceovers or dub your videos into different languages, all using your own voice, but without spending hours in a recording booth? Well, get ready, because the future is here. Next generation AI can now clone any voice in just a few seconds. Imagine this. You speak for a few moments, and the AI captures the unique tone and style of your voice. Then you can type out any script and the AI will generate a perfect natural-sounding narration instantly. You can even dub your content into other languages while still sounding like you. This isn't just about saving time. It's about unlocking new creative possibilities for creators everywhere. What would you do with this technology? Let me know in the comments below. Have you ever dreamed of making your own movie but didn't have the gear, the crew, or the know-how? Well, the future of filmmaking is here, and it's going to blow your mind. Imagine this. You type out a simple sentence like, a golden retriever wearing sunglasses skateboarding in space, and bam! A fully realized cinematic video appears right before your eyes. This isn't science fiction anymore. AI video generators are rapidly evolving. Soon, you won't need expensive cameras, professional actors, or complicated editing software. All you'll need is your imagination. Just describe the scene, the characters, and the action, and the AI will bring it to life, creating stunning visuals from just your words. This technology is set to revolutionize everything from blockbuster movies to social media content. It's a game changer for creators everywhere. What kind of video would you create first? Let me know in the comments. Ever feel like coding takes forever? Well, get ready for a massive change. We're talking about AI coding assistants, but not the ones you might be using now that just suggest a line or two of code. The next generation of these tools is on a whole different level. Imagine this. You have an idea for an app. Instead of spending months coding, you just describe what you want to the AI. It then builds the entire application from scratch. And it doesn't stop there. It will also test everything thoroughly, find and fix any bugs it discovers, and even handle deploying the app for you. This isn't science fiction. It's the near future of software development. Experts are predicting that this will make the entire process at least 5 times faster. Think about what that means. More innovation, faster updates, and more powerful software than ever before. The way we build technology is about to be completely revolutionized. Struggling to come up with fresh design ideas? What if I told you that you could generate stunning visuals in seconds, all with the help of AI? From eye-catching logos and vibrant posters to sleek website UIs, the future of design is here. Imagine just describing your brand's style, maybe it's minimalist and modern, or perhaps it's bold and colorful, and then watching as AI generates a complete professional design right before your eyes. It's not about replacing creativity. It's about amplifying it. This technology handles the heavy lifting, freeing you up to focus on the bigger picture and refine the final product. Creativity is about to become effortless. Think of the possibilities for your projects, your business, or your personal brand. The era of instant design is dawning, and it's going to be a game changer. Struggling to keep up in class? What if your teacher knew exactly how you learn best? Get ready, because the future of education is getting a massive upgrade. Imagine a personal tutor available 24/7 just for you. This isn't science fiction. It's the power of AI. AI tutors will completely personalize your learning experience. They'll figure out your unique learning style, whether you're a visual learner or need hands-on examples. They can pinpoint your mistakes in real time and gently guide you to the right answer, building your confidence along the way. Forget frantic note-taking. Your AI tutor will create perfect, easy-to-understand notes for you. And when it's time to test your knowledge, it'll generate custom quizzes focused on exactly what you need to practice. This is more than just homework help. It's a revolution in how we learn. What do you think? Are you excited for an AI tutor? Have you ever wished you could predict a health issue before it even happens? Right now, we often wait until we're sick to see a doctor, but what if that could change completely? Imagine a future where your healthcare is all about prevention, not just treatment. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's the reality of medical assistants. These incredible tools will analyze everything from your heart rate and sleep patterns to your blood reports and daily habits. By connecting all these dots, the AI can spot potential health risks long before you'd ever notice any symptoms. Think of it as having a personal health guardian working 24/7 to keep you safe. Healthcare is shifting from fixing problems to preventing them in the first place. This means a healthier, longer life for all of us. The future of medicine is here. Have you ever wished your devices could do for you? Like they'd know you're having a bad day just from the sound of your voice. Well, that future is closer than you think, thanks to emotion-aware AI. Imagine an AI that can understand your feelings by analyzing your voice, facial expressions, or even the way you text. This isn't science fiction anymore. This technology is set to completely revolutionize how we interact with the world. Think about customer support. Instead of a frustrating robotic conversation, you talk to an AI that senses your frustration and adjusts its approach to help you better. Or in marketing, ads could become genuinely helpful, tailored not just to what you like but how you're feeling. It's a huge leap forward for more empathetic and natural communication between humans and machines. What do you think? Is this exciting or a little bit creepy? Ever feel like you need a business genius on your team, but can't quite afford one? Well, get ready for the future, because AI is about to change everything. Think about it. Small business owners and entrepreneurs will have access to the same powerful insights that were once only available to massive corporations. This could level the playing field like never before, helping you make smarter, faster decisions to grow your business. The future of entrepreneurship is looking incredibly exciting. What do you think? Hey creators, what if I told you that in the near future, you'll only need to make one video? Just one. And from that single video, your entire content strategy unfolds automatically. Imagine this. You upload your masterpiece, and instantly, it's repurposed. It becomes a series of engaging shorts, perfect for grabbing attention. It transforms into a detailed blog post, boosting your SEO. It generates snappy captions for all your social media, summaries for your newsletters, and even eye-catching thumbnails. But here's the craziest part. It analyzes your video and generates fresh, new script ideas for you to film next. The endless cycle of brainstorming, writing, editing, and repurposing will be a thing of the past. Content creation is on the verge of becoming fully automated, freeing you up to focus on what you do best, creating. What do you think about this future? Let me know below. What a ride through the future, right? We just looked at 10 mind-blowing AI tools that are set to change everything. From creating stunning art with just a few words to automating complex tasks that used to take hours. The power of AI is truly unfolding before our very eyes. It's crazy to think about how these innovations will reshape our work, our creativity, and even our daily lives in the near future. So out of these 10 upcoming AI tools, which one amazed you the most? Was it the one that can write code for you, or maybe the one that generates photorealistic images from your imagination? Drop a comment below and let me know which tool you're most excited to try. I read every single one. And hey, if you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, don't forget to hit that like button. Share it with a friend who loves tech. And of course, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next deep dive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the future.